Leo, October 15 to 31. Yes, welcome po Leo, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Knock, knock, knock. So, October 15 to 31. Shoutout po ako sa mga OFW at sa hindi OFW. Welcome po din po kayo sa aking channel. So, new beginning, transformation. Yeah, powerful transformation. Kailangan natin yan, Leo. Okay? So, tignan natin. So, another, karmic energy. Okay? Those are heaven sent. Yeah? Kapag sinabi ng universe na para sa iyo yan, or hindi para sa iyo at hindi pa oras, wag po tayong matakot o umiyak. Okay? Iba-iba yung timeline po natin. So, Leo, tignan natin, October 15 to 31. Anong kailangan malaman ni Leo, ang ating mga kapatid na OFW, na sana ay nasa mabuting kalagayan at masaya at walang problema at healthy? Leo. Sa October 15 to 31, ano ang, what do you need to know? Okay. Yeah, happy place. Yeah, hindi ko na itutuloy ito. So, masaya ka. Wish fulfillment. Okay? Ano yung definition mo ng masaya? Okay? Masarap yung ulam. Malinis yung bahay. Hindi bumaha sa inyo. Yung kaibigan mo naiintindihan ka. Hindi ka na nakikipag-away. Those are wish fulfillment. Even for a day. Agree? So, okay. Moving so fast, merong mahangin, ikaw yung mahangin. Nasabi ko na ito, no judgment, Leo, okay? And something is coming. Ayan, okay, Kung hinihintay mo yung happiness na yan, hindi pa dumarating, or you can smell that one because you will win, yung ganun tipo, meron kang sense of na dyan mararamdaman po natin yan. Okay? Kasi meron parang, oh my gulay. Okay, victory. Okay. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Or September 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. October 9. Okay. Something like that. Meron ba yan? Check nyo po yung number. So, meron kang nag-open na yung wish na dinedesire mo, yan, sabihin na lang natin, simple wish. Lahat po yan, meron tayong maliit o malaking wish. Correct? Prayers yan Okay? Okay? Meron kang inspired action na ginawa. Inspired action, hindi ka lang hindi ka lang tumunganga. Okay? Knowing Leo, yung fire niya nasa belly niya, malakas yan Okay? But you just need to contain it. Oh my gulay. Dumating na yung hinihintay mo na inaabangan. Kung ano man yung inaabangan mo na yun. Let's see kung ano inaabangan mo rito. Okay, so promotion sa trabaho, okay. Yung relationship mo, it's flourishing. Yeah? Sa career, yung opportunity sa business, growing, expansion, yung something na hindi mo inaakalang makukuha mo, na you just keep on working. Nakita ko yung death card The death card, ito yun afternoon transformation. Hindi mo lang kinlame, ginawa mo siya. Okay? Yeah. Meron mang ganyan. October 15 to 31. So, ang timeline nito I can see is meron kang ginawa in the past and you made a decision very quickly. Yeah? You made a decision very quickly here. Meron kang dinesisyon na Okay, you have a cancer. Tignan, sandali, parang baliktad yung card ko. Tignan ko lang. I have to make sure. Pabayaan ko siyang mag-reverse kung magre-reverse siya. Okay. Okay, Leo. Okay. Meron ka hinihintay. Meron naman tumawag. Yung hinihintay mong dapat tumawag sa'yo, tumawag na. Okay. I can see a telephone call. Telephone, communication, text messages. Somebody na medyo mature. Kung job interview, ito yung nag-interview sa'yo. Kung sa promotion, ito yung boss mo. Air sign, Libra, Gemini. What's the other one? Gemini, Libra. Was it Aquarius? Yeah. Okay. So, tignan natin. Ano yung inaabangan mo na yan? Ano yung inaabangan mo na yan? Ano yung inaabangan ni Leo na yan? It will you will celebrate. Okay? Wag mo nang ikatakot. Wag mo nang ikatakot. Tignan natin. Angel, Spirit, Guide. Okay. Anong hinahanap pa ni Leo? Okay. Ano pa hinahanap ni Leo? Okay. Four of Sword. Okay. Baliktad ba yung ano ko? Sorry, baliktad. Okay. I will take this one as an upright. Okay. So, kung nai-stress ka, okay, literally, itulog mo. Did I say connection? Communication? Okay. Communication from the heart. Yeah. Are you preparing for an engagement? Yeah. Hinihintay mo ba yung sabihin sa'yo ng partner mo na to move together? Ganon yan. Not necessarily na you get married. Okay? So that's something that you need to celebrate. Leo, okay? Where is this happiness and celebration coming from? Angel, Spirit, Guide. Tingnan natin yung storyline ni Leo. October 15 to 31. Bakit kailangan mag-celebrate, mag-victory ni Leo? This is a double celebration. Double celebration ni Leo. Bigyan mo ako ng one card. Okay. One card. Magpahinga ka muna, Leo. Kasi yung fire, pagiging fire mo, nagiging sanhi yan ng miscommunication, Okay? Ano kailangan malaman ni Leo? Okay? Kasi wala kang clarity nung una, Wala kang clarity, yung tipong ulong is one step forward, 3 step backward. Okay? Ngayon, you take charge. Okay? You take charge, or somebody took charge. And now, that decision that you made, okay, na hinihintay mo, is coming to reality. It will come to reality. Okay? Ngayon, ano yun? What is that can make you happy and fulfilled? Okay. Yung Diyos stick ko, maubos na. Tingnan natin. Habulin natin yung Diyos stick na yan. Okay? Okay, Angel, Spirit, Guide. So, ano ang kailangan ni Leo? Ano ang guidance na kailangan niya? Okay? Give me something. Give me something. Leo, October 15 to 31. Give me something. Show me the sign. Ano ang kailangan ni Leong malaman? Oops. Okay. Itong isang bumagsak na malayo. Okay. Three of Pentacles. Okay. This is work related. Okay. This is work related. Kung baga sa interview, nasa top 3 ka. Okay? Kung somebody made a decision, nasa top 3 ka. Or if you're making a decision, you already know na you will get that. Okay? you will get that, or yung promotion na hinihintay mo. Okay, so alisin mo lang yung negativity. Okay, alisin mo yung negativity, iwasan mo yung chismis. Okay, iwasan mo muna yung chismis. Yeah, okay, you are moving to that direction. So take control. Cancer, are you dealing with cancer? Oh, another cancer here. Oh, yeah, I think baliktad yung card ko. Okay. Ngayon, don't lose hope. Nakabaliktad tong sun. Are you losing hope? Kasi nga, you need that patience. Konting pasensya. Okay? Again, control your fire. Control your fire, Leo. Okay? I think nagiging ano ka dito, nagsa-self-sabotage ka dito eh. Oh, ayan oh. You are self-sabotaging. Merong tendency si Leo ng ganyan. Bakit, Leo? Okay. So, isa na pagiging too controlling. Okay. Yeah. Meron bang ganyan? So, chismis, self-sabotaging, pag ngak. Okay. And then you're starting to lose that fire again. Ngayon, kung makukuha mo ba yun, yung job offer na hinihintay mo, o yung business, o yung pensyon, and this is the 3D world, okay? Yung bahay, matatayo ba yan? O kung makakabayad ka ng susunod na installment ng loan, okay? Hindi, ano to, this is a joke kind of thing, okay? What you claim, you just continue what you need to do. That's what it is. Okay? Disconnect sa mga nega, okay? Move and take charge. Move and take charge. Okay? If you take charge, that's the chariot. Ito yung nanalo eh. Okay? Yung black and white na horse na ganyan, always going to move direction, different direction. Kasi yung fire mo, sometimes it makes things more complicated. Eh. No judgment. No judgment po, Leo. I know, kakilala ko yung energy nyo. I know a lot of Leo. Okay? I know a lot of Leo. Okay? Sometimes medyo sharp yung ano ninyo. Okay? That's the same set of Leo na nakita ko last time. Ayan, no? You just need to work for it. So, meaning, I can see here a leader. Okay? Hindi naman kailangan leader ka ng pangulo ng ng association or something. Yung situation, sometimes you lead. Sometimes you overlead. Alam mo po yun? Okay, sa relationship, ganun din po yun. Okay? Bakit hindi mo naman silang pabayaan na, ayun nga, tatlo, oh. So, minsan, ikaw naman yung mag-yellow, red, yellow. Yung, alam mo, kung sino yung magpo-pause, kung sino yung mag-i-stop, kung sino, yeah. That's the, itinatawag na collaboration yan. Kasi you are building this, foundation yan eh. Anything about Pentacle is foundation. Yeah. Ngayon, because of, I think that you're coming from headspace mo na can be overly dramatic. Ngayon, hindi mo siya nakikita yung kasama mo na yung dynamics. Okay? So, ayun naman nakita ko, you look at that white and the black wolves looking at the moon. Okay? Yan yung chariot actually. Yeah, that's the moon in the chariot. That's why yung Sphinx sa original ng tarot design na what's the name of that designer? It's a Sphinx. Okay? Moving to different direction. Ngayon, nagiging ganoon ka. Doon ka nahihirapan, okay? You take charge of that one and you lead, okay? Lead that two horse, okay? That two wolf and sphinx to the right direction. So there's no such thing at hindi mo nakikita, okay? Are you dealing with a cancer? Yeah? Are you dealing with Temperance, Virgo, I think that's Virgo, and a Scorpio, okay? Nakikita mo yun actually eh. Kaya lang you just keep tight dun sa ano, yung pagre-rain. Okay? That's the controlling aspect. Kaya sabi ko, may maangas ba dito? Okay? And I think that's keep holding you as well. Victor ka na eh. Victory na yan eh. Okay? Papunta ka na dun sa direction na yun. I think they're overdoing it. Meron mang ganyan, Leo. Okay? Kung ano hinihintay mo na yan, I think you already know it. Victory ka na. No need to overdo it, and you will receive it even more. That's what I can see here. So sabi dito, chillax ka lang muna, Leo, at yung opportunity na yun na hinihintay mo, tatawag. Don't overdo it kasi yung kumbaga sa promotion, huwag ka nang masyadong magpakitang gilas. Okay na, sa'yo na yan. Kung sa relationship mo, sumusunod na yung mister, yung mga anak, yung missus, don't overdo it. Win. You already won the battle. Okay? Message is, sometimes mag-yellow, red, you know how to become the green light. Okay? Because yung iba naman ang magko-cross ng street. Okay? And that's how you control the situation. Hindi ka may stress. So, huwag ka na yung masyadong magbubunga nga, or kung mayroong mga taong surrounding you na negativity, okay, or self-sabotaging, okay? So, temper. I saw it here, oh. Okay, temper. Okay? Kung meron kang o magrabyado sa'yo, win ka pa rin doon kasi mamumulat ka. Something will come out. Okay? Kung isa on sa negosyo, okay, both ways, medyo nandadaya, okay, it will come out and win ka pa rin doon. Yeah? Sa relationship, sumusunod na sila. Sa mga magnanakaw, mahuhuli mo na sila. That's how you win. And you're in control. And you don't need to overdo it. That's what it is. Yeah, Leo, meron bang ganyan? So, October 15 to 31, tignan natin yung another message ng Oracle card for Leo. Ano pa yung dapat malaman ni Leo? Ano pa yung dapat malaman ni Leo? Ang ating mga kapatid na Leo, ng OFW, at mga nasa Pilipinas. Magkape-kape po tayo. This one, okay, I always say magkape-kape. That's what I do. Literally, matulog. Maski na, maski na hindi ka inaantok. That's disconnecting. Disconnect muna. You need some disconnection. Okay? This one is not on a bad way, okay? Disconnection to the situation. That's what it meant. Okay, Leo. Isa lang angel spirit guide. Okay. Binigyan ka. Oh my goodness. Matigas ang ulo talaga. Isa lang ang binigay, correct? Yeah. Leo. Of all the cards talagang kinuha mo. Okay, sabi dito, it is an important time to guard against being self-centered and over-opinionated and pushy. Madalas mo yata nakukuha ito, Leo. Okay, sabi ko sa'yo. Diba? Yung pagiging hot mo. I see a lot of fire here. Win ka na. Kumbaga sa mahjong, huwag ka nang humirit pa. Although I don't play mahjong po, naririnig ko lang. Kumbaga sa playing cards na, yung mga game cards, huwag nang hihirit pa kasi win ka na daw, sabi dito. Yeah? Okay? Meron bang ganyan? Claim it, you will move. You will get that offer, you will move to the new house. Wag nang magkipag-away pa sa kontratista, ganun tipo daw yan. Sa relationship, win ka pa rin. Kung somebody's betraying you, win ka pa rin. You gonna make a decision, that one. Sa relationship mo sa amo mo, sa office mate, win ka pa rin. Don't overdo it. Masayo na yung promotion, hindi mo na kailangan magpakitang gilas. That's your energy now, okay? So, temper. Okay? Temper. I think lahat, we need that. Yeah, Leo, salamat po. Napahaba ulit yung reading. October 15 to the 31st October. Yeah, so Leo, salamat po. See you again.